It's something incredible, which doesn't happen, not even in the USA, where people can be detained in isolation, but there is isolation to a certain point. And anyway, it's always saved the right to meet relatives and to meet defense lawyers. So we are discussing of something which is out of any right, out of any legal standard. In the present situation and with the decision of the Congress, the whole Öcalan situation must be, solved, must be overturned. At a certain point, the chief of the second government party has said he must come to this parliament and explain the decision and explain the moves and the steps that the all Kurdish society must take, which means that he must govern the situation, the meeting, and all the aspects. And it must be from outside of a prison. He must be a citizen in full sense of the word. He must, from outside, be able to govern the changement that he wanted, that he started to talk about. The Turkish anti-terrorism law is, as the European Court said, is something so generic, so unspecific, so broad that it doesn't confirm the standards that a law in a state of law must have. Now it's time that we change. Turkey changed its mind. They are not PKK is not existing anymore. It means there is no terrorist danger anymore. And so they must get out, as it always happens when a country is divided into two sections and two parties, one against the other. Once they agree, that once they, let's put it in an easy way, they make peace, there is no reason to keep in jail for years and years. And there are thousands, as far as I know, thousands of people. They are mayors of Kurdish or political people, mostly Kurdish, but not only. They are lawyers, they are journalists, and so on, all labeled as terrorists involving PKK. Now PKK is not a risk or a danger anymore. Why to keep them in prison? They must be brought out immediately. And when I say immediately, there is no reason for keeping them in jail one more day. All the political prisoners which are indicted or detainees for connection to PKK, they must get out, be out in a very, very short period. It's a matter of days, not a matter of months, It must be a matter of days, because I personally do not trust so much the Turkish government, which will take the necessary steps. It must demonstrate his willing to go to a peace.